Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to scan somebody's QR code through the Cash App. Now, if you're having issues with this, you might not have given camera permission to Cash App. So if you'd like to check on this, you can hold your finger on Cash App and then you can click on App Info. From here, you can click on Permissions. And you can see that I have allowed permission for camera, so this is going to allow me to scan QR codes. So if you don't have camera allowed, simply find it in this area, click on camera, and then give Cash App access to it so that you can use it for scanning QR codes. So now at this point, we're going to launch Cash App. And to show you an example of this, to scan a QR code, you're going to click on this little QR code option here in the upper left-hand corner. That should open up your camera, and what you want to make sure is that you're selected on the scan option. And then the QR code, you want to make sure with your camera that it is located inside this square and focused on it so that it can clearly read that QR code, and then you can scan it from there. And once you successfully scan the QR code, you should be good to go to pay at that point in time. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful going over how you can scan someone else's QR code. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.